sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah.
Hey, what's up? What's good? What's poppin'? Today I got two of your girls back today with another video. So you see the title, and then let's go ahead and get right into it. But before we get into it, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because if you're not subscribed, what is you doing? If you don't follow me on my social media platforms, what is you doing? Okay. So y'all are going to get ready with me for my trip. That is Monday. Today is Friday. So I gotta prepare for this trip within the next 3 days. I gotta find something to wear. And then I gotta do my hair. That's what I'm about to do. But I'm gonna eat first. It's currently 11:24 right now. I just took out my Cleo braids. I gotta wash my hair. You know what I'm saying? So today's just gonna be a little easy day. Plus I gotta do like a couple of little like nail videos and nail tutorials and stuff like that, so that I can have something to post for next week. So yeah, y'all gonna be doing that with me today, tomorrow, and Sunday, and then, you know, take off Monday. But yeah, so I'm finna eat, and then I'll be right back. Y'all, what's up? What's good? What's happening? What's happening? I got two of your girl back today with another freaking video. Oh, this eyelash is killing me. You know, your lashes from your brand or whatever. But y'all make sure y'all shopping, because yeah, if you're not shopping, what you doing? Anyway, so yeah, I'm currently at Joe's Den, yeah, in Montgomery, Alabama. Yeah, they food be busting. It was a review on TikTok. He said that it wasn't like really good. I think he gave it like a 7 or something. Nah, like 10 out of 10 in my opinion. But anyway, so when I get my food, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. Today I got the Floyd girls is back. It is Sunday. It is just now 10 o'clock. Well, 9:59. About to be 10 o'clock. In the next minute. So yeah, yesterday was a great day, as y'all can see. I really enjoyed. Oh my goodness, I cracked my phone last night and I'm seeing the glare.
I'm just gonna use the back of the camera because the front is about to piss me off. Y'all said it looked clear though. Y'all saw it look clear or whatever. So yeah, got a crack going through my camera on the front of my phone. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Anyways, that's my first time seeing it. That's why I'm acting like this. But anyways, yeah, it's Sunday. I had a really good day on yesterday, you know, with my little cousins. That was basically just what am I looking for? What am I trying to say? Yeah, that was basically my way of rewarding them because of their good grades that they got in school. So yeah, if you're ever in Selma, Alabama, make sure you shop at the neighborhood candy lady, because yeah, she got all types of things, but y'all saw that on the video. Anyways, like I said, it's Sunday, 10 o'clock. I just literally got up. I've been up, but I just got up physically. Just brushed my teeth and everything. I'm thinking about taking my hair down. I'm going to take my hair down. I know I'm going to take my hair down. But I just checked in for my flight. Yeah, I knew it was a reason that I flew Southwest, because they do free bag check-ins. That's why. Like, I have not paid for one bag yet on my flight. If I had to pay for a bag, it's because it was overweight. But yeah, I knew it was a reason that I flew Southwest. But it's all good. It's all good. That little 30 come back some way, somehow. Well, it's going to be 60 because I got to pay coming back. I think I got to pay coming back. I don't know. Like I said, I don't usually pay for my bag, but yeah. Anyways, I just checked in, just paid for my bag. This is what's on the agenda for today. I have to pack. One, I'm about to cook breakfast because I'm hungry. I'm tired of, you know what I'm saying? I got to get my dog a bath. I gotta make me some new nails. I'm not wearing these. I gotta make me some new nails. I gotta do my toe. I gotta make me some toenails because my toes look a mess right now. I'm gonna clean up that room. I'm gonna clean up around here too because it's a little, it's messy. It's messing with my OCD right now. I gotta wash also. I need to do that before I start cooking. And I'm gonna take down my hair and put my wig back on, my blonde wig, because I didn't wear that long enough anyway. Plus, I'm not, like, really feeling the braids for real. So, yeah, I think that's all that's on the agenda, though. My flight leaves at 9 o'clock, really 8:59 a.m. But, you know, we on Atlanta time. We're going to Atlanta Airport, so you got to be 2 hours early. So, I'm going to leave at 5 a.m. on the dot. I-10 by 5, 65 by 5, 85 by 5. I think it's 85 or 65. I don't know. But, yeah, I got to leave literally at 5 o'clock on the dot in order to, you know, make sure that I get through Atlanta Airport because we all know how Atlanta Airport is. Anyways, so, yeah, I'm about to do the little time-lapse thing. And we about to, you know, I'm going to come in and out with y'all or whatever. So, let's go. It's Monday. It's currently, I think, like 4:35-ish. And I just finished getting ready. It's the airport outfit. You can check out my other videos so that you can see, you know what I'm saying, me putting it together or whatever. But it's nothing for real. Just something real simple, real cutesy like. I smell good. I look good. Of course, per usual. Of course, we got the Nuxe Collection lashes on, the Nuxe Collection shades on, the nails, of course I did my toes, and yes, the lip gloss. So yeah. Oh yeah, the fit is from the Nuxe Collection also. This is from our last spring collection. Anywho's, I'm about to head out. I need to eat a little something before I go because we all know airport food is expensive to the motherfucker. So yeah, I'm finna eat something and then I guess when I get on the road, I'll tap in. Or when I get to the airport, I'll tap back in with y'all. Alright? Bye.